So many business owners make the mistake of trying to add another revenue stream to their business without looking at all the upfront costs. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 reasons why we are focused on adding additional income streams into our life and our business with Amazon KDP. Let's go. All right, this is your permission to stop Googling what is the best side hustle or passive income of 2024 and 2025. I believe it is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing print-on-demand books. What this means is that there is no upfront cost to you. Why does this matter? So many businesses, at least traditional ones, have a lot of upfront costs. This means that you have to pay money to get started. People do this before print on demand with t-shirt businesses, right? You have to buy all the inventory, have it in your warehouse. If you do Amazon FBA, where you're buying products from overseas and then you're paying Amazon to house them, and you actually don't know how many you're going to sell, it's really hard to be able to test things out when you have upfront costs. And on top of that, if it doesn't sell, it doesn't work. And my aunt actually did this on FBA. She went through a whole program, I think it was like $10,000 to learn, and she picked out a product, had it manufactured in China, and then as she was going through her process, she got scammed out of it, had all this product, had all this stuff. Anyways, it was just a waste of $10,000. And I tried to explain to her like, hey, I'm doing print-on-demand books. And she was like, I don't know how to make books. And it was like, oh, there's another thing we have to talk about here. We're not actually writing huge, I mean, sometimes we are, right? But this is 26 other people that I did a book with. A lot of times we're doing medium content. We're doing things that have repeated pages, right? We're doing things because Amazon is a traffic source. So we are leaning into that, okay? So the first one is like, you want to avoid income streams that have upfront costs, because it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to make your money back fast. The second thing we want to talk about is the hidden costs, okay? And you've probably seen these YouTube videos and these YouTube ads where people say, oh, you've always wanted to write a book, now you can get started, and it's better than having a product on Amazon, and there's minimal upfront costs. If you have to hire a ghostwriter for $2,000 or $750, that is a hidden cost. So when you are told that someone tells you that there's no hidden cost, that means that it's either small or you have to do it with your time. You are the one that has to make up for the hidden cost by coming up with the money to hire somebody or actually putting your time into something. And so you always need to research that when you are looking at building an additional income stream for your business, or when you are looking at starting your own income stream, right? There's so many people that are here in our community that do this as passive income. They have full-time jobs. There's other people like me that are business owners and they wanted to establish authority on Amazon and they wanted to figure that out, but they didn't want to pay someone $10,000 to help them with a book. That's kind of where I come in because I like to bootstrap the process. I've published over 515 books and I'm really in the rabbit hole. I'm in the weeds with you, right? Like I'm going to keep publishing all the time. So just remember that all those hidden costs can really add up. And the great thing about Amazon is that you do not pay them anything. You sign up for free, you upload your ID to make sure you're a real human, and then you go and create a journal, planner, notebook to start. You have to start small, in my opinion, to have that brain flip where your confidence increases and you're like, oh wow, this wasn't that hard, I'm gonna do it again. We're in that push-up mode, we're putting in the reps. And really what happens, I was looking this morning, when you sell a lot of books on Amazon, customers start clicking the follow button on your pen name and you can actually have Amazon email your customers. And I'm gonna be digging into that more because now I'm like, if Amazon could be your super affiliate and they promote your books for you, why wouldn't you put all your content on Amazon, especially if you're an expert? And I'm actually releasing a new product for business owners. If you drop the word blueprint in the comments, I will invite you for that waitlist. But it is essentially to help experts put their content on Amazon without writing a book. So just remember, there's no upfront cost with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and they don't even store your stuff because it's print on demand. So that's not true, I lied. They store your digital file for free. So it is so powerful. So when you're starting out, do not dismiss your ability to figure things out. I published many books. I tried hiring a ghostwriter, and it just wasn't as good as experience when I saw that there are profitable niches on Amazon that do really well where you're not having to even write anything. You are typing in a couple things here and there, but you're creating an experience for a customer by focusing on something bookish. Bookish means that you're not writing something tons. Journals, planners, workbook, guides. And this has truly allowed me to expand my business and teach more people. And I actually am going on a business cruise where I've been asked to speak about this to everybody. And so I'm going to be talking about bookish. I'm going to be talking about helping business owners put on the brakes when they're thinking about adding another revenue stream to their business. I need them to look at Amazon KDP because there's enough room for everybody, right? There are 300 million Prime buyers, okay? 90 million of them are monthly shoppers, okay? That's why 70% of 2 million books are sold on Amazon every single day. It's a really big deal. So as you're getting started, I want you to think about Amazon as a demand platform. It has the audience built in. It has the traffic. All you have to do is siphon the traffic by understanding what's in demand. So you're going to go into Amazon and you're going to search and you're going to see what comes up. Anything that comes up in a search bar on Amazon is called a customer search term, according to Amazon. All of us in the world of print-on-demand books call it keywords, but that is how we know what to supply the customer with, okay? So I want you just to think about that, especially if you're a business owner. I need you to like and subscribe because you're gonna love what we're working on this next year. We are literally establishing authority so quickly, and we're building our email list with Amazon. We're siphoning leads from Amazon, and we're building an additional traffic source that brings in income because we already have an expertise, but we're putting it on Amazon for that book customer. Recently, there was a study done where people who listen to podcasts made more money than people that listen to radio. They did that study a long time ago with books. And so the book buyer is truly a studious learner. They want to get results and they want to have their solution solved. Another cool thing about Amazon is that it is a cold traffic site. You might be like, what are you talking about, Jenny? You guys know that I do digital marketing. I scaled my first sales funnel to $30,000 in 50 days. It was a $27 product. And the whole point was to run ads. It was Facebook ads. And it was to stop the customer. It was to stop the buyer, like tell them, do you have this problem? I can help you with this problem. It really wasn't about like, hey, what can Jenny do for me? It was like, hey, you have this problem. I'm going to help you do it. Really think about this next year, leaning into Amazon, signing up for an account, and being able to serve brand new people who have no idea who you are, give them a great experience, and go forth and build an income stream. If you like these videos, I have over 700 on my channel. I would love for you to subscribe. I've got some freebies in the comments, in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. This is something YouTube is suggesting for you to watch next.